Luna community have burned a total of 68 billion coins of Luna Classic. The community of Luna Classic together have now burned a total of 68 billion coins, which is good, which is nice for Luna Classic LUNC. So, like one of the top burners said, before the end of this year, they plan to burn over 5 billion coins alone. And Binance are also predicting that before the end of the year, they are looking towards burning over 50 to 80 billion, but I'm expecting Binance alone to burn over 100 billion coins. But the total number for the community, Luna Classic community, right now have actually hit over 68 billion coins. I remember when LUNC was still on 38, 40, even from the beginning of this year, it was still at 50, 55. But now we are talking about almost 70 billion coins, which is good, which is nice for Luna Classic. So good one for Luna Classic community. The community of Luna Classic, they are one of the best. Yes, they are one of the best crypto community in the world, because they have been there. They have been with Luna Classic, supporting Luna Classic from the beginning. Okay, even till after the crash, the community has been supporting with the burning, with the keeping their coins, taking their coins just to make sure these coins survive. So when you mention community, best crypto communities in the world, you should mention Luna Classic community. Luna Classic community is one of the best crypto communities in the world, because you know what happened to Luna Classic, and yet people are still supporting, they are still there to show more support. They believe so much. So you guys are the best. LUNC community, they are the best with over 68 billion bonds. That is good, that is nice for Luna Classic LUNC. Once again, thank you for stopping by.